Fine, let us start working on the problems based on exponents and powers. This is the problem number 1. Right, we need to find the value of x here. So what they have given here, 11 to the power of 6, that divided by 11 to the power of 4 minus 6 is equal to 11 to the power of 8 here. So when you get this like a number, so this is going to be called as the base, right, and this is going to be called as power. That and all you know, right? So now we need to find out, and as well as you should know the rules of the exponents, right? Now, so let me write down this 11 to the power of 6, that divided by 11 to the power of 4 minus x is equal to 11 to the power of 8, right? You know that, so a to the power of m, that divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n, right? So this is what the rule, right? A to the power of m, that divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Here the base should be same, right? Here by observing the 11 is the same base, right? What I can write like in this format, that is going to be 11 to the power of 6, right, minus 4 minus x is equal to 11 to the power of 8, right? Now, so check out here, so 11, so 6 minus into plus, minus 4 minus into minus plus x is equal to 11 to the power of 8. Now simplified here, 11 to the power of 6 minus 4 is going to be 2 plus x is equal to 11 to the power of 8. As the base is same, you can compare directly, that is 2 plus x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 minus 2, or x is equal to 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6, right? Option C is the right one.